Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm changing it up a bit. I'm using resin, but instead of tinting it with mica powders, I will be tinting it with DecoArt acrylic paint. I've never done that before, so I'm hoping once it's cured, it turns out phenomenal. If not, oh well, it's okay. This is a one of those experiments. So if it don't turn out how I want it, that's all good. We'll move on. So all the colors are metallics, and they are getting mixed in with Counterculture DIY artist resin. And I will be putting it on this, I think it's called an acrylic board. It's clear, even though it looks like it's brown on the bottom. That's actually the paper that's covering the bottom, so you don't have to worry about taping it all up. And then I'm just gonna pour on the top of it. I've never used one of these kind of acrylic trays, so this is also another first for me today. But hopefully everything comes out pretty decent, and yeah. So it's an experiment. Got a lot of firsts here, so sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so now that I got all the colors laid down, I decided, why not doodle in it a little bit, see what kind of little design creation I could come up with to, give it a little bit more something. So that is what I am doing now. And like that, I am done. If you are new to the channel and you have not hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate it if you did so. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Drop me a comment down below, and don't forget to share this with someone. To my existing subscribers, thank you for your continued support. I'm having a blast doing these videos, so I will see you on the next one. Bye.